2020 Lincoln Aviator, 2020 Lincoln Aviator Concept, 2020 Lincoln Aviator SUV, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be sharing information about the latest cars is coming from Lincoln brand. The title of an article we take is 2020 Lincoln Aviator, 2020 Lincoln Aviator Concept, 2020 Lincoln Aviator SUV, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Lincoln Aviator, 2020 Lincoln Aviator Concept, 2020 Lincoln Aviator SUV, new cars by. Through some teasers, 2020 Lincoln Aviator looks like it's ready to make his comeback debut. Maybe it will be present at the upcoming New York Auto Show. In spite of the fact that it kept going just for a long time, the Aviator left a noticeable follow in hearts of numerous fans. This vehicle used to be a pioneer in advancements. In 2003, it had a few highlights that we can even now consider as premium. All in all, what's in store from new Lincoln Aviator SUV that comes at New York Auto Show? The organization discharged a couple of secrets, however, divulged nothing. In any case, some spilling data and correlations with comparable models are there to talk about 2020 Lincoln Aviator. The hybrid is supplanting an MKD SUV in the medium-sized portion. It offers of its ancestor decay, and it was a reasonable check for Lincoln to accomplish something. The outcome is an arrival of the Aviator. It will impart numerous things in like manner to Ford Explorer. In this way, we can call it an extravagant form of the SUV fabricated by the Blue Oval organization. 2020 Lincoln Aviator redesign. The things are winding up increasingly intriguing with Lincoln. After Nautilus, we have another SUV occurring in one of the MK models. We trust that the organization is supplanting the whole lineup, and by observing it 2020 Lincoln Aviator. We specified Nautilus since it is likely that two models will share a couple of comparative things. Most importantly, planned arrangement of the grille could check the new begin. Likewise, the inside will take after a similar dialect. The Lincoln Navigator is a full-measure hybrid and the lead model of this organization. Together with Continental, it is the most well-known name originating from Lincoln. The new Aviator can't be contrasted with it from various perspectives. Be that as it may, the most youthful vehicle in the lineup will take a position simply under Navigator. Likewise, the upcoming Lincoln Aviator will be greater than Nautilus. Clearly, two new SUVs will have comparative gear and plan. Be that as it may, the new 2020 Aviator could acquire something from Lincoln Navigator. It won't be a shock on the odd chance that we see the new B in black label suit appropriate from the beginning of its new life. The engine specs. In the engine of the new Lincoln Aviator will presumably lay a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 unit, which likewise makes vitality for Continental car. It is quite intense, with conceivable yields of 400 HP. Since the Aviator will be heavier than its kin, we trust it won't have the capacity to accomplish 20 miles per gallon consolidated. The drop of maybe a couple miles in mileage is additionally not all that awful outcome. The motor is conveying power through a 6-pace programmed transmission. In any case, Lincoln could tune this gearbox to work smoother. This can likewise enhance the gas mileage of the new Lincoln Aviator. Besides, the hybrid will offer two drive strategies, with all-wheel drive as a contrasting option to FWD mode. New Lincoln Aviator release date and price. The organization effectively declared the vehicle of the up-and-coming engine appear in New York. Likewise, we can see first secret pictures. Be that as it may, these are not indicating excessively. Along these lines, we have to hold up to perceive what 2020 Lincoln Aviator will resemble. Specialists are as of now endeavoring to make sense of the estimating of the new SUV. Greater than Nautilus implies it will presumably cost more. Obviously, it is far from Navigator, thus it is with a cost. Since it replaces MKD, Aviator could acquire the cost of around $45,000. It ought to be around $5,000 more than Nautilus. Despite the fact that we will see it before the current month's over, the 2020 Lincoln Aviator will come to dealerships in around a half year. Until at that point, the organization will disclose piece by a few its specs and subtle elements, and in addition trim levels. We are energetically holding up to hear if this SUV will get a black label adaptation. Thanks.